This is a tutorial for this 2461 corner clip. Reveal the drawing. Unit system MGS material 1060 Alamalai. We'll create from everything from this sketch here. Try to fully define everything and then later create some sketches from contours like this one, and from the right view we will create this cut right here, and from the top view we will create this triangular shape and then extruded offsetted 30 millimeters then length. So let's start from plane, sketch, circle here. How much? This one 20 radius, so we go 40 here. Next we can go 10 here and then an arc, go 10 here, arc like this, 3-point arc. So this is a straight portion as we can see here. So after we go arc, there should be something straight, tangent. Make this to tangent, then another arc. We can do it with a fillet. Let's go straight for now. Oh no, let's go arc, tangent arc, 40 straight. Here it just says 40 straight. Go again 10 here. Overall height is 125. Let's just fix it. This one looks like this one. This will be here. This arc's center will be in the origin. Go inside. This is 40 dia, 40 radius. So apply 40 here. What else do we have? Go from here 10. And then this line will be connected with this line and this line will be vertical. Fully defined. Let's trim some stuffs. Let's trim this one. Okay. Now let's do this 38 here, 60 straight. 38 here. Goes down 60 straight. Radius 40. Goes down and let's connect it. So this should be 8 degrees. The vertical line. There is a radius here of 20 here. Fillet 20. This corner. Let's apply the radius 40 here. And it's everything is fully defined. Let's go with this bigger stuff first. The bigger stuff goes like how much? 66 max. So let's hit extrude. This contour comes up 66. Check that sketch again and this contour will go 10. Now as we can add this fillet right now, radius 12, so why not. And let's make this cut right here from the right view. Sketch here. This is coincident, comes down the fillet of radius 20. So just come here and cut this triangle with 8 degrees draft. Cut this, right click through all. Nice. Now let's add this 20 fillet here. Okay, beautiful. Only thing we are left with is this triangular shape. We can sketch here, then go offset and extrude it 10. So sketch here, line like this, but this goes 45 degrees, and we can convert this entity and this entity. Hit convert and then trim this extra portion. Let's now try to extrude it. It will go 10 millimeters downwards and with an offset starting position of 30 millimeters. Reverse the direction, and there we go. Our model is completed. 5 minutes 34 seconds. Let's check the mass. Okay, let's check the material. 1060 Li. Evaluate mass properties. 575.05. Copy it, paste it. It's correct. Thank you.